If you've ever scrolled through a gadget list and thought, I already know everything on here, this one is going to surprise you. These aren't the same recycled products you've seen on 10 other channels. This is a top 15 that was built to actually make you stop and say, wait, that's real? Some of these are straight up fun. Some will genuinely upgrade your daily life, and at least 2 or 3 are going to make you wonder why you didn't know about them sooner. Links are in the description for everything. Let's get into it. Most drones need a remote, an app, and 15 minutes of setup before you even get it off the ground. This one needs none of that. Hold it in your hands, push it downward once, and it levitates completely on its own. Motion sensors constantly adjust to keep it stable and floating in mid-air. Bright LEDs pulse as it hovers. Catch it in one hand and relaunch it instantly. It sounds too simple to be this fun, but the first time you use it, you will not put it down for 20 minutes. Most people buy this thinking it's a gimmick. They end up using it every single day. You want cinematic drone footage, but you don't want to learn how to fly a drone or deal with FAA registration. This is the answer. The DJI Neo weighs 135 grams, lighter than most smartphones, and needs 0 remote controller. Place it on your palm, press one button, and it lifts off on its own. It follows you, films you, and executes cinematic quickshot moves automatically in 4K with rock-solid stabilization. Under 250 grams means no FAA registration required. 18 minutes of flight per battery. Most people spend hundreds on drone lessons. This skips all of that and hands you professional footage on day one. Most action cameras are too bulky to actually wear comfortably for more than an hour. You end up leaving them at home. This one clips onto your glasses, hat brim, shirt collar, or bag strap using a magnetic mount, and then you genuinely forget it's there. It is recording 4K video with built-in stabilization the entire time. Waterproof, small enough to hide behind a button, footage that actually holds up in real lighting conditions. Most people overthink content creation. This makes it completely effortless. Most RC trucks look impressive and fall apart the first time they hit anything real. This one hits 36 kilometers per hour, runs full 4-wheel drive, has independent suspension on all 4 corners, and a waterproof body that handles mud, puddles, gravel, and grass without slowing down. 2 rechargeable batteries in the box, LED headlights built in, and the build quality takes hits without falling apart. For the price, this is the most capable RC truck on Amazon right now. Most people don't expect this level of performance at this price point. They're always wrong. And stick around, because number 8 is one of those gadgets that sounds boring until you actually understand what it does, and then you immediately want one. Most LED strip lights look cheap. One flat color across the whole strip. Nothing dynamic, nothing interesting. This is completely different. Every single section of this rope light can display a completely different color simultaneously because of individually addressable RGBIC technology. Music sync mode reacts to sound in real time. The app gives you hundreds of scene presets, and the diffused neon effect looks like actual neon signage at a fraction of the cost. 15 minutes to install and your entire room feels like a completely different space. Most people think LED lights are all the same. This one proves they aren't even close. Most Bluetooth speakers just sit there and look forgettable. This one, you build yourself. 906 pieces that when finished become a fully working Bluetooth 5.3 speaker. The rotary dials actually work, the antenna looks period accurate, the bass response is real, and the sound quality is genuinely good, not gimmicky toy speaker quality. You build it, you put it on your shelf, it plays music. Every single person who sees it immediately asks, what is that? Most people buy speakers for sound. This one delivers sound and becomes the most interesting thing in the room. Most people deal with sore muscles by just waiting it out. Foam rolling, stretching, hoping it gets better on its own. This mini massage gun is 30% smaller than the original but delivers percussive therapy at 12 millimeters of amplitude. Deeper than almost any other mini in this category at up to 2,400 percussions per minute. 3 speeds, 3 attachments, Bluetooth connected to a wellness app that builds personalized recovery routines, USB-C charging, TSA approved for travel. 2 minutes on a sore muscle and you will feel the difference immediately. Most people wait days to recover. This cuts that in half. You stare at screens for hours every single day, and by evening your eyes are tired, your temples are tense, and a headache is either already there or on its way. This fits over your eyes like a sleep mask and delivers air pressure massage, gentle vibration, and targeted heat simultaneously around your eyes and temples. 15-minute session. Built-in Bluetooth so you can listen to music while it runs. In a world where everyone is staring at screens all day, this is one of the most practical recovery tools on this entire list. Most people treat screen fatigue like it's normal. It doesn't have to be. Most keyboards feel the same. Flat, mushy, zero personality. You type on them because you have to, not because you enjoy it. Full aluminum body, gasket mounted so the typing feel is soft and bouncy with zero flex. Hot swappable switches so you can change the feel without any soldering. Triple device Bluetooth plus wired mode. And fully programmable through QMK and VIA firmware. Per key RGB down to individual keys. Once you type on this, going back to a cheap membrane keyboard feels like punishment. Most people don't think a keyboard can change their experience. This one will make them reconsider immediately. And don't skip number 12. It's the one that serious gamers already know about, and everyone else is sleeping on. Most people play on the standard controller because they assume the upgrade isn't worth it. It is. Sony built this specifically for people who take their gaming seriously. Swappable stick modules, so when the sticks wear out, you replace just that part. Adjustable trigger dead zones and travel distance. Programmable back buttons, and custom profile switching, so your settings change instantly between games. The build quality is noticeably better, and every detail of the feel in your hands is tuned differently. Most people settle for stock. The ones who upgrade never want to go back. Most gaming headsets force you to choose game audio or phone call, not both at the same time. This one does both simultaneously. High-res certified audio, active noise cancellation, AI-powered microphone noise rejection, and dual device connection at the same time. 2.4 GHz wireless for zero latency gaming and Bluetooth for your phone simultaneously. Sound staging precise enough to hear exactly where footsteps are coming from in competitive games. Most serious players already own this. The ones who don't are at a disadvantage they don't know about yet. Most solo creators either deal with shaky footage or spend money hiring someone to hold the camera. This eliminates both problems. 3-axis stabilization with ActiveTrack 7.0 recognizes your face and locks onto you automatically, keeping you perfectly framed as you move. Built-in extension rod for overhead and selfie angles. Foldable tripod legs inside the handle. Optional module with fill light and audio input. Battery lasts around 10 hours. You stop needing a camera operator entirely. Most content creators think stable, professional-looking footage requires expensive gear. This is the only thing you actually need. Most walkie-talkies are one-trick devices. Push to talk, that's it. If your phone rings, you're stuck ignoring it or putting the radio down. This one pairs to your phone via Bluetooth and lets you receive incoming calls directly through the radio without touching your phone. 35-mile range, no weather alerts, rechargeable batteries, IPX4 waterproof rated, 22 channels, and hands-free VOX operation. Camping, hiking, job sites, events, anywhere your cell signal is unreliable, these take over completely. Most people don't know walkie-talkies have come this far. This one changes that assumption immediately. Most power banks top out at charging your phone. This one charges laptops. Full-size laptops at 140 watts through USB-C. 24,000 milliamp hours means a complete laptop charge twice over, plus your phone 5 or 6 times on a single fill. LCD screen shows exact battery percentage in and out. Dual USB-A ports plus the main USB-C. Fits in a backpack without being unreasonable to carry. Most people don't realize a power bank can replace a wall outlet. Completely. This one can. Most people don't own a portable power station because they think it's only for extreme situations. It's not. 288 watt-hours of capacity, a full 300-watt AC outlet, a 100-watt USB-C port, and solar charging ready straight out of the box. Powers a laptop, a CPAP machine, a small fan, a mini projector, real devices at real power levels. LCD screen shows exactly how much power is coming in from solar and going out to your devices in real time. Power outages, camping, road trips, job sites. Once you own one, you genuinely wonder how you lived without it. Most people wait for an emergency to get one. The smart ones already have it sitting in their house, ready to go. Alright, 15 gadgets, every single one worth your time. Whether you're upgrading your setup, your recovery, or just want something that genuinely surprises you, this list had something for everyone. Everything's linked in the description, so go grab whatever caught your eye. And if you want to see more, I just dropped a video on 15 gadgets that feel illegal to own, but are completely legal on Amazon. Spy cameras, thermal vision, GPS trackers. That one is on screen right now. Subscribe to Toolwizer, I'll catch you in the next one.